Hey everyone, so tonight I'm about to look a little crazy for this look, but today I'm doing a Tiffany Young makeup look. This is the look that she had on the Galore magazine. I will like insert a picture right here so you guys know what I'll be doing. So that's why I'll look crazy because it's a little not part of my skin tone, but we're gonna try our best. So I'm not gonna do any base for this because my skin is actually doing pretty okay right now. So I'll start with just doing like the pre things such as my brows, and then we'll move into my shadow. So now that we have our brows done, as close as we can. She seems to have used a brow gel. I don't really own any brow gel, so I did try doing it with a spoolie to try to imitate hers. Our brows are pretty similar. They're pretty flat. Mine curve a little bit more at the ends than hers, and she has like a bigger patch of eyebrow hairs at the front, which I don't. But that's really just the difference. Sorry about my crazy hair. It's 9:38 as I'm recording this because my roommate's not here, and I was like, sure, we'll do this now. Well, before I have to go to bed. But anyway, I'm getting off track. So now I'm going into my Claire's palette, and I'm going to suggest finding your hottest pink color. I don't really have a lot of options here because obviously my better palette is in Florida. So I'll just be using my LA Colors highlight pink and the darkest pink that I could find in here in my palette, and seeing how pink I can make this eyeshadow color look. So all I really did was use my two darkest pinks, my highlight, and then the darkest in my Claire's palette, and then I went over it with a little bit of red. That's a little tip I can give you if you don't have any super hot pinks like she does. It makes it pop more, similar to hers, except she has a little bit more sparkle because she seems to have used like a liquidy eyeshadow. I do actually own liquid eyeshadows. They're very weird and they come off really quickly, but I don't have any of them here, and plus I only have them in nude, so it wouldn't really make it look as glossy, but that's why hers looks more glossy, just so you guys know. By the way, the picture is like on my right as I'm recording. And then it seems like she has a pink blush. We know that that's not gonna work with my skin tone, but am I gonna do it? Sure, why not? And yes, the mirror just fell, so we're gonna ignore that, and we're just going to make my skin look not properly contrast. All right, so now that we have like our pink, it doesn't look that bad and it doesn't look super crazy in person. Like obviously more noticeable than a lighter like nude that would go in my skin tone, but like still not as bad as I thought it was gonna look. So now that we have that, we're going to focus more on the rest of our eye. She has really big like lashes. I don't wear lashes, as some of you may know, maybe in the future, but I will be doing her thick eyeliner. I'll be doing it with my eyeliner that doesn't last 24 hours because I'm not going to studio like this tomorrow. So we're gonna do liner, and then I'll do some mascara, and then we'll do our lips. All right, so I'm also watching the originals while I'm doing this, but now I can close my eyeshadow because now I've done all my eye stuff. I'm using clear mascara because obviously I'm going to wash this off soon, but wow, this actually looks really, really cute. I might do this again. And so now I actually have like pink lips, and this is a Burt's Bees, which I bought the other day. It's like tinted lip oil, and it's not gonna make it super pink, but it's a natural way of making it pink without doing too much. Alrighty, she seems to have a little bit of shine on her nose. She has some highlight going on right here, and I think she has some contouring done. And obviously, I can't contour here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take my really, really light white right here. Yes, I'm using my finger, and then I'm just gonna tap it on my nose like that, and it's like just a little bit of extra shine. And then I'll do this like real quick, wipe it off, and tap my nose again like that. And so it's like not super like highlighted because it is eyeshadow, but it gives off the illusion that I need for camera at least. And that's like a little trick. If you don't have any highlight, you can use your lightest color, as long as you know how to blend it really well so it doesn't look like a white streak on your nose. Like front face, it looks like a streak, and then to the side it doesn't look bad. So that's just a little tip. I would do my whole face with that, but that it might be a little too much, like just a little bit, you know. But now I'm just going to put on a pink hat because my hair's a mess and she's wearing a pink hat anyway, so it'll match. And then I do have a few little surprises to show you guys because I did go to her concert, so I'll insert some of my favorite clips here, and then I'll also show you guys like the merch. So alright, so like I didn't have like a cowboy hat, but I do have this pink hat that I got at the Chainsmokers concert, and so it'll do the trick if I pan it up like that. It looks a little bit like this is the final look. She has a few locks like coming down her face, but as I said, my hair's a mess from like a full day at school. So this is what I look like at the end. And now the surprise, I finally got my first ever light stick, and it's the Tiffany Young light stick, and it looks like this. This might mess up the camera, but I'm gonna click it anyway. So it's pink, so it goes perfectly with this look. And then there's also like the stationary pink color, and it's really, really cute. And it has a little moon at the bottom, and it just like dangles and it's attached to this. And how you work it is you just push the buttons down here. If you've never had a light stick, I've never had one, so like that's gonna be the start of that collection. Way more expensive than the albums. I'm sorry, I'm not a hat person, but like, you know, I wear hats like when it's raining, and then that's really just it. Sorry. Now the other item that I got was this t-shirt from her tour. I already worn it. I wore it this weekend. It has like a photo of her in the front, and then the back has all the tour dates. I went to the Boston one. And then last and final item, I'm forgetting what it was, and that's why I'm like looking around like, where is it? Oh, okay. I got a Tiffany Young pen, like it's a heart pen, so it's a really, really cute and aesthetic. I don't know if I'll ever use it because like it's too cute to use and I don't want to like run out or lose it. So it's a Tiffany Young pen. I wanted to buy more, but I forgot. So what I'm planning on doing is ordering her album online. I've been seeing her album, her old album from the beginning of the year at Newberry Comics, so I might snatch that one up, and might also just order her album online when I order all the albums that I'm going to get for my Christmas holiday album haul. And yeah, that's really it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this makeup tutorial, let me know. If you want to see me do like more things like this, like when I show merch or while do covers or whatever and do like makeup beforehand, like let me know and I will do that. Anyway, thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one.